And ladies and gentlemen, the Bollywood cabal that backs Rhea Chakraborty has been on a relentless campaign to attack Sushant, to sully the image of Sushant Singh Rajput, to lie and spread canards against his family. They say that this is not about such justice for Sushant anymore. According to these people, it should be justice for Rhea Chakraborty. Today, the family has fought back and the whole nation is standing with the family. And their fight back is a slap in the face of this platform, Lutyens Media, which without asking questions takes Rhea's PR leaks at face value. Here is how they have been exposed, and then we debate.
On the 13th day of investigation, the focus is now on the drug angle. Agencies have solid proof to show that Rhea Chakraborty's brother Shovik is at the center of a drug cartel in Mumbai. The clincher in the case is this October 2019 drug chat between Shovik and his friend, where he talks about his connections to Zayed and Basit, two alleged drug peddlers picked up by Narcotics Control Bureau.
There is a larger drug cartel which is in place, and that drug cartel, we're given to understand, has someone with the name of Zayed, and the other person is Basit, and their admission and the fact that they were in touch with Shovik in itself will be one major reason why perhaps they are also going to call him for further questioning.
Shovik, Samuel, Zaid, Abdel Basit, Suryadeep Malhotra. These 5 players seem to be a part of a bigger racket. The agency is armed with proof.
As far as this case is concerned, the person arrested in the case, there are linkages which are under probe. So as far as linkages are concerned, there is no official statement, but we have issued an official statement in the morning and a stand.
With the drug angle becoming the focus of investigation, Bollywood is feeling the pinch. Several actors have gone on a pro-Rhea campaign overdrive. Sushant's family is fighting this slander campaign tooth and nail. They have exposed those who are using an allegedly distorted statement to further the narrative.
As far as the family is concerned, the family has never given any such statement of Sushant committing suicide. These statements were recorded by the Mumbai police in Marathi. The family also objected that please don't write in Marathi if you want us to sign. They were forced to sign that statement on a statement written in Marathi. They had no clue of what was being written. So I can't comment on what Mumbai police has written in their statement.
There are admissions from the key players.
क्या लोग आए थे? क्या आपने बताया है कि जो है हार्ड ड्राइव से डेटा डिलीट किया गया?
मैंने जो भी क्वेश्चंस उन्होंने पूछा ना, मैंने उनको सही जवाब दे दिया है. So अभी कल मुझे वापस उन्होंने बुलाया है.
Chats that expose the drug nexus and inconsistencies in different versions.
तो ब्रेकफास्ट का टाइम हो रहा था 8 बजे, तो जो है खाना बनाने वाला वो गया, तो उसने पूछा सर से कुछ लोगे खाने पीने के, तो सर ने बोला मैं जूस लूँगा और नारियल पानी, केला भी लूँगा. केला उन्होंने
सुशांत सिंह राजपूत उस समय तक बाहर थे.
हाँ उस टाइम थे. फिर उसके बाद जो है उन्होंने शेफ ने ला के दिया उन्हें जूस और वो नारियल पानी, वो तो वो लेके अंदर चले गए थे.
With more facts emerging and more proof in hand, the lies being peddled by platform media stands completely exposed. Let's debate.